Good movie, Jay. Very disgusting.
You like it?
No.
I'm so sorry, Ange. I promise I'll never do that again. You're a tough old dog. Come on. Come on. A 1, by the way.
Like first in class?
First overall. Plus a permanency in the Apex prototype. Yeah.
Oh my god!
Want me down in Sonoma to start training with the team right away.
I'm so proud of you.
I was thinking we could all go on the road.
Yes.
Maybe at least for the
Yes.
summer. Yeah, go to all the ways.
Chloe.
In racing, your car goes where your eyes go. A driver who cannot tear his gaze from the wall will inevitably meet that wall. But the driver who looks down the track as he feels his tires break free, that driver will maintain control of his car and his destiny. I realized this was what Denny had done. He had manifested a win because he knew we needed one.
And then we'll just meet you after she's done with school.
Absolutely.
Keys.
Okay. I'll call you tonight.
Okay.
Bye, bud. Hey, kiddo, I need that. Let's see. Thank you. Thank you. Oh,
Have fun.
bye.
Bye, Daddy. Hey, Mom.
Hi, wanted to see how you're feeling.
I'm fine. Much better. I'm taking Enzo for a hike while Zoe's at school. I need to get into shape. I feel so gross.
Honey, your friend was a whippet. Is Denny out of town again?
Mom, I'm not getting into this. I hear enough about it from Dad.
Sweetheart, I'm really just asking.
I know. I gotta go. I'll call you later. I love you.
I love you.
Bye.